Hello everybody. Hearty welcome to my English class. Today we would learn prose 5 Tech Bloomers means the slow learners who learn slowly with the help of technology. Let's take a glance of the characters of this story. Alicia, she is a disabled girl who suffers from cerebral palsy. David, he was born with athetoid cerebral palsy. He has been using a high-tech communication aid since he was 8 years old. Stephen Hawking, a world's renowned physicist, is the best example for using assistive technology as a boon. Let us acknowledge the lesson in a detailed manner. We are living in an era of advanced technology. Over the years, technology has revolutionized our world. Technology has created amazing tools and resources, putting useful information at our fingertips. It allows the users to get access to all sorts of information. New methods of electronic communication, such as social networking, websites, emails, voicemails, and video conferences, have eliminated boundaries of time and distance. One can send money to a foreign country, reserve tickets for his or her journey, pay bills, and apply for overseas studies from any place through internet. Modern technology has made it possible for the discovery of many functional and utility devices like the smartphone, tablet, and the smartwatch. Technology is also a boon to the people with special needs. It enables the disabled persons to communicate and be independent. It can help people like them to make friends, control their environment, study, and find jobs. In Alicia's life, Alicia is a disabled girl who suffers from cerebral palsy. She has trouble with typing, so she uses an advanced technology called Dragon Dictate, a software which helps to transfer her speech into words on the screen. Alicia feels that technology has made her more independent. In David's life, David was born with athetoid cerebral palsy. He has been using a high-tech communication aid since he was 8 years old. Modern technologies such as the Liberator communication device, Active Controller, AAC, and Echo 2 have enabled him not only to communicate freely but also to control his environment. Technology has helped him so much that he was even selected to work with the Olympic opening ceremony in Brazil. According to David, technology is important since it enables him to communicate and be independent. Stephen Hawking, world's renowned physicist, Stephen Hawking is the best example for using assistive technology as a boon. It helped him to overcome his physical impairments and assisted him to contribute to the world productively. With all these revolutions, technology has made our lives easier, faster, better, and more funny. Thus, children, the moral of this lesson is it is not that we use technology, but we live technology. Thank you.